As the number of COVID-19 cases rises across the United States, so too are individual pleas and official orders for people to stay at home. Residents of Brooklyn took to their balconies to implore passersby to avoid public spaces, and this in order to flatten the curve, a reference to decreasing the number of coronavirus cases over time through confinement measures. In response, a growing number of local officials across the country have imposed sweeping restrictions. Los Angeles and New York were among the nation's biggest cities to close schools, bars, and restaurants.
For everyone who is wondering why this has been such a difficult decision, it's because I know the full cost of shutting our schools. I know all of the negative ramifications of this decision, and it's very painful. It's going to be very difficult for a lot of families.
In total, 29 U.S. states have announced school closures in the wake of the outbreak, and the Centers for Disease Control have recommended canceling or postponing events involving more than 50 people for the next 8 weeks. The growing restrictions are hard to stomach for employees and owners of small businesses, including here in Ohio, where this restaurant will close for 1 month.
Restaurant people aren't as prepared, and they can't work from home. And so there are going to be thousands and thousands of people across the state of Ohio who, have nothing tomorrow, who are unemployed in 10 minutes.
The new measures come after images of crowded airports across the U.S. led to growing concerns the spread of the virus was not being taken seriously enough. Thousands of travelers returning from abroad ahead of the Trump administration's travel ban faced hours-long lines in close quarters at major airports in several cities, including Dallas, Chicago, and New York.